Hi everyone, hope you all must be doing great. So it's a very important announcement for the students who are appearing for January 2025 C-entry examinations. I'm starting a workout batch from 5th of December. It would be a 10 days batch, a full power packed 10 days classes. Daily around 2 hours to 2.5 hours we'll be meeting daily, and it would be a 100% exam oriented batch where I'll be discussing questions and answers. I'll be telling you that how you should be dealing, because this is the one of the more major problem of all the students, that sir, how we should deal with the questions. Presentation is one, concepts clarity is second. So this is actually the solution where I'll be doing a thorough practice of questions with you. We will be it I would be discussing the questions chapter wise also, and total income questions also. So first 5 days would be chapter wise. Let's say we'll pick pgbp, capital gain, tds, first 5 days, so that you can be so that your chapters could also be revised, and the next 5 days would be mostly case scenarios, and most important is the total income questions, right? So here we will be discussing your past year MTPs, RTPs, and more important, some advanced modified questions which can come in your January 2025 examinations. So it would be a combination, as I've told you, chapter wise also, and first 5 days chapter wise. Then we will be shifting to total income questions mainly, so that after this 10 days you would be 110% confident to appear for the examinations. And more importantly, after this 10 days, it would be followed by two full mock test paper of income tax, where I'll be personally evaluating, I'll be giving you the feedback. What are the things which you are committing, where you are committing mistakes? What are the things which you are doing right? So I would be commenting on that also, so that you would be 100% sure that your income tax paper is thoroughly prepared. So the fees would be very nominal. It is kept at 1,000 rupees only. So the link is in the description. You can go and avail this opportunity. And even you can take the feedback of the students who have taken the practice batch earlier, first practice batch, second practice batch, which I have taken for January 2025 examination. And the feedback is tremendous, I would tell you, right? So please don't miss this opportunity. It would be very beneficial to you. See you in the class. Thank you so much.